Hello friends, welcome to Jet Students. So in today's session we will talk about how to crack this exam, Salesforce Associate AI. And you guys are already aware about uh, this AI thing which is coming and keep booming over in the Salesforce as well. So the basic certification which is these days the organization and everybody is talking about, and it is very much trending these days, are the AI Associate. So we will talk in detail what's the how to crack this particular exam, what kind of questions it will have, and what are the modules that you need to understand as a Salesforce admin to get into this AI thing. Because in moving further in upcoming weeks and years, you will see the AI agent booming and how it is being used in your projects. So it's very much important to get this basic certification. So in this AI Associates certification, let me take you to the very important website. It's Salesforce Ben. I will put the URL for you. So the exam is about 40 multiple choice questions, and you will have 70 minutes to complete the exam, and the passing score is 65%. Now at this point of time, the exam cost is like $75, but right now it's free. So as of now, which I have the latest knowledge, you can just go to Salesforce Websor. I will share you the link of the Websor as well. In my previous video, I have explained you at how to register for Salesforce. And under this Websor, you can just register your paper, and you can just go for free. So although the first exam is free, but for the second exam you have to, if you got failed, so you have to pay $75. So be cautious while like putting the second exam. So I would say that just go for it for the first shot. So basically the paper would be online, as I told you earlier as well. So it will have different modules. So each module have like AI associate is related to the it contains about more about the AI stuffs. So the basic is that you will have considerations of ethical consideration of AI, which will contain 40%, around 39% of the questions. 15% would be like AI fundamentals. 8% would be like AI capabilities in CRM, and 36% will be the data for AI. So it's not very much tough paper. It's just the basic questions which the AI asks, like what would you do if you like trying to get into how the AI would react, like if you're trying to create opportunity, what is the purpose of AI in Salesforce, what are the basic consideration that AI will do in order to do the ethic, in order that it follow the ethics of AI. So basic questions are there, but I would just say that you should go and check whether the modules which are being given the trailhead. So you just need to go to the trailhead and search here Salesforce uh, AI Associate Trailhead, and don't go for the first one, go for the second one, which is for the Prepare or Salesforce AI credential. And once you click on this one, it will give you a little bit more idea about what kind of questions will it have. So if you complete each module will have some of the questions, and it's basically related to, let's suppose generative AI is there. So you need to understand what is a generative AI, what kind of template you are using when you are putting the questions to AI, and how the AI is responding to your answers. So the basics things are there. And once you are done with this module, it will give you some confidence about how to crack this particular exam. And once you are done with this paper, you will get the certification like this, and each certification will just give you one more step ahead that you have completed this kind of certification. So all the best from my end. It just is and I hope you guys will definitely let crack this exam, and all the best from my side. Thank you so much. All the best.